Hi guys, welcome to TV, and today's video we are going to see 25 tips and tricks that you must know as a bullet echo player, which will transfer you from a noob to a legend. These are simple 25 tricks that is very important and very effective while playing this game. I have used all of these and I absolutely blew out from it. So today's video we'll see 25 tips and tricks that you should use in bullet echo. So watch till the end. So let's hit it to the first one. The first one is always grab ammo when you begin the game. This is the main thing. If you start the game, you are with your pistol and you need your main weapon, so you need ammo. So search for the ammunition first. Your first important thing is to grab it. There's a 0.01 chance that you win a game with a pistol, and so the odds don't favor you much. So it's best if you hold your ammunition, which will be very important. Always search for it, and depending on the hero you may need more or less, so that will cover again. Second one, always use your power-ups. Very important, irrespective of your hero. If it's a search, if it's a grenade, if it's a shield, force field, anything, always use your power-ups. These are very important while playing the game because these can be game changers. To learn how to use each one effectively, you need to play a little, and I'll make a video on that too for y'all, but always use it because it can be very much of a game changer sometimes, and it is actually. The third one we'll now talk about is armor. Always search for an armor. Simple reason, it gives you more health, like you will not die earlier, and that's very important when you're considering a 1v1 or even a battle royale. You always need an armor to stay more guarded, because assume the number of bullets that would kill you normally will not kill you, but they'll have to affect the armor first, so it's little more, so it's more value. So that's very important, and always see that it's full. Coming to the fourth one, upgrade mag is your best choice out of all of these. Now I always say that you must take the upgrades for your weapons or that, but upgraded mag is very important unless you are a rifleman. The other one would be an upgraded armor and better bullets, which all of these would work. A scope would be okay, but if you're not used to, if it's a sniper, I wouldn't suggest it. More on this in another video soon. Going to the next one, which is the fifth, always see your health and kelver is full. Another important thing, always see your health and kelver is full. You have fought a battle, you're injured a little, use the health power up which you have always, because it can be a game decider sometimes. And don't store it, always use it, because after some time it will recharge back. And if you're using bastion or dragon, your health increases more than its actual is. So next we come to use gears for heroes. Another very important fact you should know, that gears help your hero like this to increase his health, increase the armor percentage. It may look small, but these small things itself can change the game, because this sometimes the game goes down to the thinnest wire. There's just a few bullets that separate the winner, and if you're playing 1v1, then it's very important, and it can be a game changer most of the times. The next one you need to know is only upgrade heroes you are good at. Now it depends on you. If you love to use variety of heroes, great, but I would suggest upgrade only those heroes that you are perfect with, because you need to save a lot of resources here. Unless you are a continuous gamer, you like to play it maybe an hour or two a day, then I'm fine with it, but otherwise, even then, just try and minimize the amount of heroes that you would prefer to play with and specialize only in a few. Then we come to the eighth one, which is When the game begins, you must run fast to collect as much as you want, and as you know, your footsteps make a lot of noise. So don't worry about that when you start your game. Your first thing is to collect as much resources as you can in a small amount of time. The more later it goes on, that time you can become slower because that time everyone is concentrated on killing rather than getting equipments and all. So that's very important for you. And the next one, the number 9, is always play Battle Royale mode. Simple reason, if you play for squad, then there's a high chance you are going to lose. There's a 50-50% chance of winning and losing, which won't be ideal. Same goes to person in the hill. Just one spot you can get, but if battle royale, there's the more higher value that you would want, the more resources and everything is mostly in battle royale, so I prefer that for y'all. Now we come to number 10, is hide behind obstacles for safety. An obstacle basically helps you from getting hit by bullets. So I would suggest you always stick near obstacles. Don't stay open, because the more open you stay, the higher the chance of you being hit, especially by the snipers. That's a very scary thing, or by machine guns. They scatter the bullet a lot. So you better stay around in an obstacle. That would be very much effective. Now we go to the next one, is always choose bigger area in the map. Simple reason is, a bigger area you have more chances to collect resources and a reduced chance of finding someone that you will have to kill and fight with. And another another tip, don't go in the center of the map because enemies can come from all four sides. Just go to the side and see that is bigger. There are different maps, so accordingly you should know. We come to the next one, the number 12. Never give up if your teammates are still alive, because if you died and you were the first to die, then you will be put fifth. But if your teammates continue and they win, you are first. So always try to be, wait till the game is completely over. Don't just give up directly. Don't go for results. Wait till the end, till all your teammates are dead. After that, you have no choice. You have to give up. Okay, so we'll go to the next one, which is use the chats. Very important. Use the chat, because that's the only way you can communicate with your teammates, unless they are your friends who are next to you. Use the chats. They will help you a lot in communicating, and it's very important. I don't know if you're far away, you can use the chats and their teammate will see, but if you are close by, use it, because they should at least know what you want to tell them. That's quite important. Now we go to the next one, and that is, if you're the last one alive, go hiding. Now assume both your teammates are killed early on the game and you are left alone. Always try, because if the opponent, have a lesser chance of being caught because there's just one. So hide in the sides and see that you don't get caught, and so that when everyone finishes, there'll be obviously one group left, so it will be 3v1. Obviously they'll win, but at least you'll come second and get higher resources, which is very much important. That is a main thing for y'all. Now we come to number 15. Always play with friends, especially squad or battle royale. If you have friends and they are good in this game, really good ones, then I think you should play with them, because at least you all have a team communication. Especially if you're with your friends, you can definitely play together, because you're with them, the communication increases and you can have a higher chance of winning, especially in squad v squad. That is a very important thing. Coming to number 16, play the limited events. These events come, I didn't have an event this time when I was recording this, so sad about that. But basically in events you get a lot of resources, a lot of communication, a new skin for your hero, and many other important resources that you would need for that. So it's very important to use it. Plus play the events, it will help you gain more resources that will help you play the game better. And it will help you in the long run, if not at that moment. So always try them out. Next, complete missions. Again, an important thing, simple but effective. Play your gameplay according to the mission. If the mission suggests you must use a particular type of heroes, then use only them and try to complete, because here you get all your gold, all the resources that you need, the cards, gold, bolts, upgrades, gears, everything comes from here. So always complete the missions. Now we go to number 18, that is use the add chest. It sounds unethical, but it's good if you use a used ad chest, because there are total of 5 ads, I presume, and all of them won't take longer than 5 minutes. You'll get some coins, you'll get some hero cards, but and it does sound little bad actually, guys, but I think you should do, because it's the only way the game developers earn money, unless you purchase. But let's agree, most of us don't like purchasing. So you can watch this if you're broke and you have no amount of coins left. At number 80 and number 19 we have, if you're continuous in a losing streak, just give up. Just take a break. Assume you have lost 5 rounds in 7 or 8 rounds in a row. You can see these trophies will decrease, which will have you a tougher time getting these other rewards. So I suggest you just take a break, or you can try a different hero, or you can, because if you're tired you won't be able to play well. It is a very psychological thing. And at number 20 we have save resources for further use. Just like the earlier one, don't just use it simply. If you just win 2 times with a particular hero, don't just waste a lot of coins and all on it. By the way, see, in the long run, use the heroes only that you would prefer to use. Don't waste the bolts and all, because they are very rare and tough to get. And just don't spend, I mean just don't overspend. Spend wisely, and see that you don't mess up things that you'll regret in the future, because there are a lot of heroes that you'll need. At 21 we have don't stay on dead bodies and possibly take cover. When you're playing a battle v battle or a squad v squad, you know that when you kill an opponent, his teammates are going to come to rescue him. So I would 100% say don't stay on the dead body, but stay at side and wait for the opponents to come, because you can actually encounter them. Otherwise you're just going to be in a complete mess of being killed when they come back, and you are not taking cover at all. Plus your dead opponent can see you. So yep, that light matters. And now we come to the next one, is always be in the top 3 of your league. This is very, very simple also. The top 3 in the league gets the highest rewards that you need, plus you get a higher league promotion, which means more resources in the upcoming chest, more new heroes. So you need to be in the top 3. Try your level best. It's not impossible, but the more higher the league you go, the more tougher it becomes. And precisely try to somehow stay in the top 3. Even if you can't stay top 1, no issues. Try to be second or third at least. Then we come to the 24th, the second last. I think the 23rd this is. Skip missions if they are tough. Now assume they are on a particular mission and you are tired and you don't want to do it. You don't go well with the hero. Just skip it and try something else, because you may get an easier one, may not get an easier one. That depends. So but if you can't do it, just skip the mission, because you get your resources from those missions. So try and do well in that. The 24th, the second last one, use hero size for advantage. Now these are basically to the small guys like Raven, Ghost. They are very small, so they can go between creeps, like as you can see here, which other heroes normally cannot. The average size, and forget Bastion. So basically you should try and use your heroes at size, because the smaller ones can go faster and they make a little less noise compared. So try to use that size as an advantage. Same goes with the big ones. And coming to the last one is be careful while healing teammates. Again, a very important thing that you should know. While healing teammates, you are basically near your teammate, and there's a chance that an opponent may be waiting, sneak peeking you, and when you go to heal your teammate, he or she pounce out and attack you, which could be more frustrating for you, and you don't want that to happen, definitely. So while healing teammates, I would suggest for see around that you have no one. If you have Raven, you can use his search ability and see that no one is around, and then heal your teammate accordingly. And With this, I cover 25 points on 25 tips and tricks on how to play Bullet Echo and go from a normal player, a noob, to a pro. If you all play this game, yeah, you can ask me for my player tag, or you can drop yours also. We can be friends, we can play along. Hope this video was helpful for you all. And yeah, thank you all very much for watching this video up to here. It has been a lot of help because you all have watched this video. So please like, share, subscribe, and see you all in new upcoming videos. Maybe live streams of this gameplay, maybe more facts and all may come of this. So do watch till the do watch other videos too. Take care. Goodbye. See you all.